What about your plan on the COVID situation? Because the market will start on 2 days back.
No, so we started the market and everything. So now we are taking extreme precautions. Now we are only limiting the amount of people that can come into the market, maybe 15 or 20 at a time. So only when 10 leave, then other 10 can enter also. Then even now, not a lot of the vendors have come. Not all of the vendors have not come back also. But even to prepare, we still have to be extremely cautious also. And we can't put anybody else's lives at risk, especially.
It's overloaded. How you see this? Because of rain.
Oh, there's a small puddle. 18 June is not flooded. PCP buildings are not flooded. No, there's no flooding.
The area where we flooded.
Mala and all, but see, those are low-lying areas. Until you get major infrastructure upgrade, Mala will flood. So we are still trying to do that also. Under smart city, there are plenty of plans that need to be implemented also. So that will hopefully happen in the course of due time. In a few coming months also, we should see some improvement.
Even interior road of the Benjamin is not good. So how you are looking to?
So we were supposed to have a meeting with the PW minister. Unfortunately, that got delayed. So we are going to raise all of these issues up with the minister also. So hopefully he can help us address some of these issues that we are facing.
Thank you. Thank you.